Welcome on the channel. We came to the point where it's more and more overlapping task, and sometimes I don't know where to put the hands on, because I start one thing but I have to finish the second before I do this first one, so bit terrible. But anyway, we have to push this job forward. For anybody who are first time on this channel, it's over 500 hours of work over this conversion. Not everything in the water system is connected, but nearly everything. And because I wanna close this wall in the bathroom, of course always I can open, but I don't wanna do it 100 times. I wanna test partially water installation on the pressure side. It means like a fresh water. Yes. So, and check if it leaks or not. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to fill the tank at least. Like that will be definitely faster. So we connect is a minus here to the ground of the pump. Okay. And of course live. Okay, pump. Oh, leaking. This is what I am afraid about. Oh. Okay, so we have to check it. This pump works like that, so it have to build the pressure, and when they build the pressure switch off the pump. So if pump works continuously, of course on the beginning is like usually you have to fill everything with water, but later on if we keep it pump under the power, and from time to time it starts works, it means somewhere is a small leak. If it's something like 1 hour without any noise from the pump, it means everything is tight. Okay, next try. Leaking again, just lower. Jesus. Whoa. Okay, next try. Leaking. Leaking. Okay, next try. Leaking. All leaks here was not on these connectors which I bought somewhere for cheap money. It was on the original Truma connectors which I get without the Truma combi boiler. Usually you have to push in with quite big force, but here you have to use much bigger force. So earlier when I push it inside, I not push enough the deep, and for this reason it's leaking on this no return valve and on this, see, dump valve, drain, maybe not dump, drain valve, better one. Yeah. So okay, first problem, this is normally open, should be, I bought it as a normally closed. Temporarily I fit such a valve on the second end of this dump, as you see, is not keeping the pressure at all. It looks like that. Right now it's closed. This dump valve, this is first problem. Second problem is, okay, open it. Okay. Works, so it's not a problem. Pump keep the pressure. Works. Again, pump build up the pressure. Okay. Is anything leaking here? No. Even in this place where I'm afraid so it will leak. Will not leak. Strange with this valve. Strange. Okay, and one place where I have to check is this connection here. I don't see any. It's dry. Still this valve. So what I want to do, I want to keep the system under the pressure for some time and check for leaks. Again, of course, we have to check it permanently. Is no leaks here. Yeah, now it's dry. Fortunately, all this connection from this plumbing to this is in a one pipe, so no connections on the way. Later on I will make connections for the. Okay, through last 1 hour pump was silent, means like everything is tight and not leaking. It's good, it's even very good. Right now I just checking for some like small drops, but everything seems dry, means I can close. No, it's not close, will be still nice big opening, but for sure sometimes it's easier to replace something with better access. We have to replace this valve, and I check it. I bought it as normally closed, so it's just wrong. Some happen, I don't know how come, but it's happened. It's normally open. I don't suppose it's normally open. I suppose so. This is something strange with this. So thanks for watching such a short video about water system testing. Yeah, good word, testing. So we can go to the next job.